I hear a lot of people telling me how they want to be successful, but they don't like to sell. They don't like to market themselves. They feel like they're being pushy. They feel like they're being salesy. And I'm going to address this situation real quick. If you feel like in your business that you have something good, but you don't want to sell because you feel like you're being obtrusive to people and you feel like you're bothering them, then I'm going to tell you that you have the complete opposite mindset of what you need to when it comes to your business and when it comes to providing that service and marketing yourself. When you think of marketing, you shouldn't think, oh, I'm bothering people. You should think, I'm providing a service. I'm helping people. What I do is going to make them better, make their life easier, improve their lifestyle or their quality of life in some kind of way. If I don't market my services to these people, their life's not going to be as good. That's how you have to think about your product or service or your business. That's how you have to think about marketing. Look, at the end of the day, if you don't market yourself, you're going to go out of business. So that's one way to look at it. The other way, like I said, is to understand, like, as long as you do have a good product or a good service, or you provide something that is really, truly amazing, you should never feel like that. You should feel like, if I don't market my services, I feel like I'm doing other people a disservice by not offering it to them, by not making it available to them. If you truly believe that you have a really good product or service, then you should be doing everything you possibly can to get your product or service in front of as many people as possible. Because the more people you get it in front of, the more people you're helping. So from a marketing standpoint, stop coming from a place of being annoying and start coming from a place of being of service. That's it.